Hello everyone and welcome back for another video. So I have finally succeeded at finger coiling my hair, and I don't know about you, but it took me so long to get there, so I thought I'll come here and share with you how I did that. I used the Aphogee style and wrap mousse with water, but the day before this I have treated my hair to the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll link it in the description box. At this point, I already have the Aphogee Pro Vitamin Leave-In Conditioner in my hair. I just wet it and apply the mousse. I believe that it's very important to detangle your hair very nicely, and your hair needs to be easy to manage, so you make the process of twirling it easy and quick. Another important point is to focus on your root while you're coiling your hair, because if you don't coil your root properly, they will unravel. And you can see at the back of my hair, some of the coils, they have unraveled already. I had to go and do some of them again. As I was going forward, I realized it was the root the problem, so make sure you tackle the root properly. My hair didn't take too long to dry at all. I believe that is because of the consistency of the product, unlike gels. And this is the back. As you can see, we have a lot of unraveled ones, even though I went back for some of them, but hey, I know now. To style my hair, I didn't do much. I only pinned the side of my hair as I always do. And there you have it. This is my hair after 2 weeks. It really lasts me long, and I'm definitely going back to this hairstyle. I have been keeping my hair up every time I'm going to bed with a hairband, and the next day I will just wet my hair generously. I'll pay attention to the part that I put the hairband. Then I will gently push my roots down with my fingers. And pin it back. That's how I've been keeping this hair for 2 weeks. And here is the back of the hair. Not bad at all. Usually I'll add a little bit of oil, but I was ready to wash the hair at this point. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'll link my blog post for more information, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.